Have you ever wondered what it's like going to the beach in New York? We basically do the same thing you do, except we commute via train, transfer multiple times,
I had a dream I could buy my way to heaven. When I woke, I spent that on it.
And since we don't have a car, we have to pack wisely.
Man, it's so hard not to act reckless. To whom much is given, much is tested. Get arrested, guess until it gets.
These views are amazing, even through the dirty subway windows.
And what I do, act more stupidly. Bought more jewelry, more Louis V. My mama couldn't get through to me. The drama, people suing me. I'm on TV talking like it's just you and me. I'm just saying how I feel, man. I ain't one of the Cosby's, I ain't go to Hill, man. I guess the money should have changed them. I guess I should have forgot where I came from.
Today we are going to Rockaway Beach. It's one of the easiest beaches to get to via train. As you can see, we're not the only ones with this idea today. Watch me be cute while simultaneously being super clumsy, per usual. The walk from the train to the beach is actually pretty cool. There's so many colorful homes, and there's usually a whole bunch of people out playing with their kids and just enjoying the sun. Good vibes. We have a boardwalk with lots of shopping, lots of people on bikes, and tons of food. The food at Rockaway Beach is actually really good. You kind of forget you're in New York for a minute. Until you realize how many people are at the beach. That's why we like to go in at a different entrance so that we can get a little more privacy. Every time we come to this beach, we seriously consider getting a house in Rockaway. We bring an umbrella to the beach, but we're one of few that actually bring an anchor. After we set up, of course, we got to open up a beer. If you ever forget anything when you go to the beach, you can get most things from people walking around selling them. Nick loves to balance things on my booty. Clearly a few beers in. Now it's time for the GoPro. The water is always so cold, and then it warms up. The water may not be Turks and Caicos clear, but it's still fun to play in. We turn into complete children when we get in the water, as you should. So if you live in New York, make sure you make it out to Rockaway Beach sometime this summer. Don't let the commute scare you away. It's definitely worth it, and it's really not that bad. All right, that's it for today's video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.